Sanibona, igama nguSikhumbuzo Isibongo Ngwakangubo. Ngihlala eZondi, ilapho engikhulele khona. Eh, Ngikhulele ekhaya, ngihlala nogogo, bokuyindawo yamakholo like ugogo bekathanda ukuthi sihambe i-wash shower. So kwayenzakala ngokwempilo ngagcine sengihamba ngiyohlala e-Standerton, ngasuka e-Standerton ngahamba ngayohlala e-Orange Farm. After ukuthi isikhathi eside empilweni ngikhule nginganababa, ubabami bekasejele. So that thing for mina ngisasewumntwana, it was a big challenge, but ngakhona ukuyilwisa ngoba naye ubaba bekangikhuthaza, ahlala aletha amaletha ejaridini, angibhalele iy'ncwadi, ugogo angifundela. Okay, so what happened? Kukwayenzeka ukuthi ngisahlala e-Standerton after ukuthi isikhathi sihambe, ubaba waphuma ejele, kuwukuthi sengiyile nase-Sun City ukuyombona. And then after there ubaba makaphuma wavakasha ngiseZondi, wangicela ukuthi hhayi, ucela ukuthi ngihlale naye, uyafisa ukuhlala nefemeli yakhe. Nami ngakujabulela loko. Kwayenzeka-ke ukuthi umama nobaba bayakhulumisana and then bagcine bathola indawo e-Orange Farm okuyi-stand. Bangicela ukuthi nami ngibuye e-Standerton ngishintshe isikolo ngize ngapha. And then the time ngingale e-Standerton, I was a bright child like esikolweni. Ngayuzwa ukuthi ngiphuma abo-number one, ngabo-December makuyenziwa ama-competition, benginokuthola ama-prizes sashi. Uthole ukuthi number one ama-standard 4 kuphuma mina. Somewhere ngihelpa namathisha, uthole sekuyimi engifundisayo eklasini and benguwumuntu bekathanda ne-art. But ngithe mase ngihamba ngiyohlala nomama nobaba, everything started to change in my life. Nga-end up like ngizithola sengikwenye indawo, whereby the topic today is about drugs which are destroying our life. Ukuze mina ngiwele lapho ngathi mangifika e-Orange Farm, what happened? Ngathola i-girlfriend, mangithola i-girlfriend kwayenzakala ukuthi siyalala naye sisabantwana without a condom.
Sorry viewers. Just the mic.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay. Mangiba ne-girlfriend heavy sex without protection, sithi saganga nathi. Unfortunately, usisi waba pregnant, but maybe bekuyi-blessing for abazali bami. And then I was 17 by that time. Mangikhumbula kahle bengifunda u-standard 7, by those time we were calling ama-grades ama-standard. Okay, what happened? My life started to change ukuthi sekunomntwana because bengithola i-support from family. Ifamily bengithi mangiphasile bebakhona ukusithengela ama-present nani nani, izinto ezinice, bahelpa since vele ngikhula kanje ubaba vele angekho. Bavala ama-sanction bathi sengiyimntwana, so whatever they were giving me sabayinika umntwana. So nami azange ngikwade ngaloko, ngazitshelana it's a great thing. And then nefamily yakhula ngoba mina benginganabhuti, nginganasisi, abazali bami bazala mina ngiyi-one. Along the way, what happened? Life started being hard now. Esikolweni angisakhona ukuconcentrate. Why? Eyi sekunzima. Sengiya esikolweni ngebhrukeni nembobo, iy'cathulo ziyatsheka, like akusagezeki nakahle, like impilo seyasinda manje. Mangicale ngithi ngiyakhala ngifuna i-help, ngitshelwa ngumntwana. And then ngabona ukuthi nami I have to do something ngempilo yami. Like unfortunately bengine-brother yami enye nayo beyiboshiwe, yathi mayiphuma ejele yangivakashela ngale. It's when I was introduced to drugs ngaleso sikhathi, because what happened, mina myself ngacela i-cousin yami ukuthi hhayi cousin yami kuyabheda right now, we have to make plan. Nginomntwana ngapha ngiyamthanda nami ngiyamfisa ukumenzela something as a father. So ngicela ukuthi kule misebenzi yakhe ayenzayo ngicela nami angifake. So my brother was somebody bekayenza ama-housebreaking e-Cresta Falls, e-Greenside, e-Northcliffe kanjalo. So bengithi mina mangumbheka ngombona asmart, bekeza bavakasha nemali. So ngambuza ukuthi kuzofuneka malini ukuthi siye edrobheni. Wangitshela ukuthi masingathola imali yokugibela and then sibe nemali yokubhema. Ngambuza yini le ebhenyayo, wangitshela ukuthi hhayi ipilisi, indanda. Ngathi ngambuza iyenzani lento leyo, wathi hhayi izoba good for ukuthi ungabi novalo ntwana yami. So mina by that time bengibhema nje insango kuphela, nakhona it wasn't serious, yabona, because I was trying to fit in kuma-friends ongathole ngale Orange Farm wawabhema nawo insango. So it was harsh for me ukuthi njalo kumele ngilibele ngigazatha nabo entweni engingayibhemi. Nga-end up ngibhema kanjalo because bengijima nokujimana nabo. Kunama-qualities bengiwathanda kubo lawo ma-friends lawo. So ibrother yami yangitshela ukuthi hayi masinaleyo mali leyo, ngambuza ukuthi all in all kuzoba imalini. Wathi kuzoba i-70 rand, masingaba ne-70 rand sizoba grand, sothola yonke into esiyifunayo. Unfortunately abazali kusasa banginika imali ukuthi ngiyobhadala i-school fees esikolweni. I took that money ngayinikeza ibrother yami, savuka ekuseni saya la kuthengiswa khona lezo zinto, sabuya sabhema naye, and then wa-end up anginika incwadi athi ngibheke, angidirect ukuthi yini esizifuna la sakhona, kuyenziwa 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. My life ngakuluza kanjalo, my free life. Saya kulelo dorobha, sayenza lento esayenza, sabuya nezinto, sisimoshela abelungu. And then hey, indlela zobumnyama bafethu, ngaya more deep into drugs because now le mali le ngiyazithenga lezi zinto engizifunayo zomntwana, nami ngiyazithengela lokhu bengishoda ngayo, seyiningi le mali. Then sekuyaqala kuyaphuzwa, kuyabhenywa, nami ngaqala ngangena kancane kancane, whereby nga-end up makumele ngicede i-matric yami, I couldn't because ngaboshwa. It was January, ngilibele ngiqhubeka ngale ndaba yami idorobha lena because sengibona nami life yami ngikhona ukuyi-afforda, kanti ngiyayiluza i-life yami by that time. And then la ngangihlala khona, my father when he came back from prison bekuwumuntu bekangabhemi, bekangaphuzi. And then umuntu bekabhema aphuza bekuwumamami, and then i-life for bona be-hard, but along the way yashintsha kwaba right, like endlini sesikhona ukuthi siyakhona ukudla kahle each and every day, yabona. And then umama naye wagcina aba nama-friends amaningi. So there was a sad thing beyenzakala lapha, enye yangihlukumeza kakhulu like empilweni yami. Umama wami is somebody uyuza i-alcohol. So makayuze i-alcohol uyatshentsha like, and then she start akhuluma izinto zakudala ezayenzeka which I can't change, which I was not even there. Akhulume ukuthi hey ubani wamenzani. And those things they were hurting my father in a way yokuthi ubaba wami wagcine naye sakaphuza, ugcine naye sakangasabuyi endlini. What happened to the family benginayo ya-break up, and then ukubreak up kwayo ngaba nenye anger in my life in a way yokuthi ngakhothinwa ngalesi thing le yokuganga le. And then ngaleso sikhathi leso i-drug bokuyiyo like something we use because by those times besithanda ukuthini, sikhuphula idimoni. Yeah, after ukuthi sibhemele drugs we'll go there sohlukumeza abelungu, sibathathele into zabo, sibuye sibe bahle kasi, shine namantombazane. And then leyo mpilo ngayiphila in a way yokuthi bese ngihlale ngiboshwa termina 2. Mangifika nasejele same drug uzolithola nalapha ejele. And then ngagcine sengiyibheka impilo yami ngazitshelana I have to change mangiphuma la, because by that time kunentombazane bengisho i-pregnant yeza ejele izongibona, and then ukuyibona kwami ize izongibona nesisu, ngazitshela ukuthi I have to make plan ngempilo yami ngichange. And then ngatrayela kulelo tshele ngaze ngaphuma. Mangiphuma azange ngibuyele e-Orange Farm, ngabuyela kuphi eZondi kagogo, ngathi hhayi thi ngiyohlala khona ngikhone ukuzimamela, ngithole i-connection e-right. So what happened, ngithe mangihlala kagogo ngathola sekunenye i-cousin yami enye abathi uSamkelo. So i-cousin yami kwaba somebody like owangi-inspire in life, like ngamthola asebenza ngapha azifundela yabo. So I had that thing ukuthi hhayi man nayi enye impilo e-right ukusebenza. And then I thought about it, ngakhumbula ukuthi hhayi man umalume wami ubaba umkhulu wami omunye usebenza emafemini. What but ngiye ngale Orange Farm ngimcela ukuthi angifake emsebenzini. I was so lucky ukuthi those days ngaba nemali, and then umntwana by that time besakazaliwe. Mangiba naleyo mali ngayithatha ngahamba ngathengela umntwana impahla, ngahamba ngayombona. After ukuthi ngombona umntwana umama khona wayengekho, and then ngahamba ngaya kubaba umkhulu ngam-explain-ela i-situation yami. Ubaba umkhulu wathi hhayi ngizobheka mfana, ngizobona kwenzakalani lapha efemini, but kwamanje akuqhashwa lapha. And then ngibuye eSoweto ngihlale ne-cousin yami, ngihlale nogogo bokuwomu. And then sihamba isikhathi ubaba omkhulu asho ukuthi hhayi mntanami iza ngapha ukuthi makuvela something sokhona ukukudonsa. And then ngamampela-ke ngithatha iy'nto zami ngithuthe ngiye ngale Orange Farm. Azange ngihlale neviki. The following week wangibiza wangitshela ukuthi hhayi kunomuntu ofuna i-assistance laphayana, woza uzosiza. Ngayishiya kanjalo-ke impilo yama-drugs nobugebengu, ngahamba ngaya kuleya firm leyana, ngafike ngazithoba kuleya firm, ngafunda umsebenzi, ngasebenza. And then it was hard because bengihola ngeviki, ukuhola kwami kulelo viki lelo imali eningi ihamba netikiti. And then ngapha abasirejisti basinika amanye ama-payslip amancane, and then mawucala ukuthi uyovula i-account because you can't even afford a shoe, imali oyitholayo imali eyenzani, hand to mouth, hand to mouth. Ngapha iy'koloto, abantwana, ama-creche, ama-graduations, frustration yodwa. But hhayi ngabambelela kulo msebenzi, and then ngaba ne-idea ukuthi how would I survive kulo msebenzi, because mangibabuza la bantu bebasebenza lapha abanye they are claiming ukuthi banabo 15 years, 18 years, but mangibheka i-life abayiphilayo, improvement, ayi ngiyabona akuna-sunshine la. Ngizibuza ukuthi ngizoyenzani. And then umsebenzi lo engangiwenza, ikhampani yakhona beyidila ngama-ventilation. What happened kuleyo khampani, bangifundisa ukwenza ama-filter. Lo muntu bekumele ngiyomu-assist-a, kwayenzeka ukuthi uyashona akasabuyi. Bathi mina ngichubeke ngomsebenzi, ngawufunda ngaze ngazi nemishini yonke. Ngithe mase ngiyazi imishini, ngahamba ngaya kumlungu ngam-explain-ela i-situation yami ukuthi nginabantwana abayi-2, and njengoba nginabantwana abayi-2 le mali le engiyitholayo iyangigcilaza somewhere. So ngicela umlungu mina naye sisebenze ngenye indlela, in what way, ukuthi mina lo msebenzi wami ngiwukhiphe in bulk. Umlungu angibuze-ke ukuthi if ngiwukhipha in bulk ngizophrojusa kanjani. Ngamtshela ukuthi hhayi mina I can make 100 filters a week. And then umlungu ashaya i-calculator, angibuze ukuthi ngizonidani, ngimcele ukuthi ngicele kube ne-overtime engizoyenza during the week, nangama-Saturday, Sunday ngizongena. And then mangabe ngisebenza ebusuku ngicela ngibhuste nange-transport ezongisa ekhaya. Umlungu ayijabulele leyo nto, angigaya that opportunity. And then I started working, ngasebenza. And then 100 filters yaphuma kanje each and every week. And then umlungu angiphe ibhonasi yokuyenza 100, aphinda angiphe nani nemali yama-overtime. and then i-life yami yaqale ya-change-ke. Nami sengiyakhona ukuthengela abantwana bami i-uniform, and then lo munye ose-creche naye ngiyakhona ukumu-afford-a, ngiye lena ngazo le mali lezi engizithola kumlungu. And then life started to be okay up until ama-friends ami amanye ngangiphila nawo long time ago bowaboshiwe nawo asejele. So unfortunately bona kule journey leya yokuganga bagwetshwa, and then mababuya babuya izinto sezitshentshile, and then basafuna ukuphila ngaleya ndlela leya. And then I've tried ukuthi ngibabonise ukuthi izinto zitshintshile, sesiphila so, sasebenza ini. Mngani wami bekezela, yesu zama ukuthi makune-space nawe sikufake. And then kuthe after 2 days siceda ukuyikhuluma leyo nkulumo, that guy wangifonela ngisemsebenzini, wangitshela ukuthi Sikhumbuzo ngiboshiwe and ngiyasayina, ngicela uzongikhipha ngine-bail ye-500. That guy wangi-traumatize-a, and like i-friend yami bengiyi-trust-a and bengihamba naye le ndlela lezi. And then I end up like ngihamba kumlungu ngiyocela, umlungu wangivumela ukuthi ngingahamba, but I didn't tell the truth ukuthi ngiyoyenzani. Ngamcela nje ukuthi ngifuna ukuya ebhenki kuyofaka imali for ifamily yami. So bekuyinto benginokuyenza sometimes, ngahamba ngayombhila, and then that guy wakhala onawo way back mangiceda ukumbhila ukuthi thina masisemsebenzini uphila nabanye abantu elokishini, bayenza 1 2 3 1 2 3, you ka end up so. Ngimtshela hayi bekezela uzoba grand. Sihamba isikhathi. I don't smoke drugs by that time, sengiyaziphuzela naye. Kwamosheka along the way when my father passed away. Ukuthi umama besakashiyile yena, ashiswa yini ukuthi ubaba sakaphila ngenye indlela. Then mina sengisele nekhaya ngilinakekele. And then what happened, ngaceda ukubeka ubaba, it's when I was introduced kule drugs lela abalibiza crystal meth. That drugs is very dangerous. Ngoba mina in my life lingenza ukuthi ngibe furious ne-anger after ukuthi umamami angitshela ukuthi ubabami lo bengithi ubabami akusi ubabami. Mina ubabami ukhona somewhere. Leyo nto leyo yangi-destroy in life, yangi-destroy. And then I end up like sengibuyela ku-crime. Emsebenzini ngiyasebenza, on the weekends angisaya emsebenzini ngiyenza lezi ze-crime, ngiyamosha like nginenye i-anger, like in a way yokuthi bese ngiphatha nebhamu, yabona. Khona abalimele ngey'ndlela zami. I end up like ngiboshwa, mangiboshwa ngagwetshwa, mangigwetshwa ngayenza 15 years, ngayihlala leyo 15 years. Nakhona ngayenza i-half yakhona, ngaze ngathi mangiphuma ngazitshela I change my life. Mangizophumela e-Orange Farm ngabheka i-surrounding yabangani enginayo ukuthi ngisazobuyela kulaba abantu labaya. And mina myself ejele like ngacala enye ijeni because nga-realize something ukuthi in my life I've got something yobu-leader, but ngiyuze kabi, I was a bad leader in a way yokuthi yimi somewhere ngithatha abantwana babantu ukuthi sekuphi kuhlangana imali. So ngazitshela I must change, make a change in my life. And then isikhathi sahamba, mangifika ejele, it was a place whereby bekuyijele eSleg leli bengikulo lisemaplazini eStoffberg. So there like phila ama-gangsters, akuna-exercise, like akuna-mask, izinto beyikhona bekuyisikolo. And then ngahamba nami ngabuyela esikolweni just to change my life because bengingasafuni ukuba loya muntu leyana benguye. And then lama-drugs lawa engiwashiye ngaphandle, lapha phakathi bewakhona, amaphuzu akhona-ke bebawathengisa and all that stuff. So mina ngashintsha ngabuyela esikolweni bangenzisa i-placement test. After placement test ngahamba ngayoyenza bangifaka kuyini ku-level 4 ngayenza i-level 4 ngayiphasa kahle. The following year umamncane wami wakhona ukungilethela iy'ncwadi zami zasesikolweni ngaya ngathi ngiyolungisa i-matric yami and then ngayenza i-matric yami and then on that journey yesikolo ngaba introduced kwesinye bayibizani yesinye i-structure sakhona ejele sisebenza ne-social worker. Those guys one of them bekuyi-friend yami uye wangitshela ukuthi kune-post bafuna abantu abayi-2 abazo-add-a ayi-2 le bebanayo ihambe ngedraft. Ngambuza ukuthi kwenzakalani wangi-explain-ela ukuthi it's all about art nokutshintsha iy'mpilo zabantu and then I was so interested I jumped in. Kanti esani ngingena entweni e-grand because after ukuthi ngingene kuleso structure sesangivulela ama-channel amaningi kulela jele. Ngakhona ukuyenza izinto lezi engangifisa ukuzenza. So benginenye i-friend lapha ejele bebathi u-Ayanda. That guy was somebody like beka-good nge-art because before I met him he used to ukuthi aphothe izinto for amaphoyisa abayenzela ama-homework. So whatever he does bekathanda ukuzibeka laphayana ngasewindweni lakhe. So nami bengiba interested ngizibuza ukuthi yini lezana ngiyobuza uyenze kanjani and then by that time ngoba bekangangijwayelanga bekavele angibheka angangikhulumisa. So nami bengingafili ashamed of what I'm doing and then ngizoncoma la ngincoma khona imisebenzi wakhe ngi-shift. Kanti one day sogcine sesabangani na that guy and then kule structure lesi i-social worker belibheka indlela ezingasiza ngayo amabhanditi. So what she used to do bekathenga ama-well calls and then makathenga ama-well calls thina sofonela abantu bangaphandle sifuna ama-stakeholders ukuthi asponse ini ejele like maybe kunabantu abadlala ibhola kushodwa ngamajezi and then yes that was our first project. Saqala ngale yamajezi and then sayenzani amajezi sasithola i-sponsor masiletha amajezi awanamanamba and then that's when ngafunda ukuyenza i-art when it comes to printing by that time because leya ndawo leya inama-skills amaningi and then ngajumpa ngafunda ukuthi how to print iskipha and then because there siyuza imishini sayenza raw and then I fell in love nge-art and then that guy started teaching me ezinye izinto ukudrawa nani and then sa-discuss ukuthi why singayenzi i-talent show for everybody because lapha abantu baphila ngama-drugs balubele bavalelwe in the same place. Akube nama-changes. Safonela ama-celeb ukuthi azoba inspire nge-life. I remember kweza bo-DJ Sbu ilanga lakhona waze wasitshela ukuthi yena ustarta ikhampani ezobizwa i-Mofire, is a energy drinker. Abanye abantu bathi that thing won't work but yena is fighting for that and then kwafika nama-actors si-encourage and then along the way sayenza le talent show. It's whereby ngangena kakhulu-ke kusize nabantu. What happened abantu bebangazi abaningi banama-talents on that place because behlezi sivalele but kuthe masesivulela ngenxa yale social worker lena sabona abantu abakhona ukucula, sakhona ukubona abantu abakhona uku-actor, kwaba nama-activities amaningi and then ijele la-change-a. That thing yayinombolo nokulwa nama-drugs ayayehla kwaba right and then I told myself by that time ukuthi I will go this path and then ngahamba ngaleyo path in a way ukuthi ngaze ngaphuma ejele without fighting anybody and then ngithe mangifika ngaphandle ngaphumela eZondi ngahamba ngayohlala nomamami and then ekuhlaleni kwami nomamami sayincenga kahle impilo khona ne-cousin yami The only thing ebeyinkinga, it is alcohol, substance abuse. Umamami utshwala makaphuza abuse in a way yokuthi lento le ayenza manje sengimdala ucale from ngisasemncane. And that thing when she does it, iyangilimaza nami self. End up nami myself ngiluza ubumina. And then like what she does, like makaphuzile uyahamba, go to friends, family friends, and then when she talks akakhulumi kahle nangami myself, like umuntu ongangifiseli into enhle because silwelana ukuthi mama, since mina wangitshela ukuthi ubabami lo ushonile akusubabami, ubani ubabami? Umama vele aphuza utshwala akanandaba, in a way yokuthi manje nami ngiyabona hey life senzima because makabuya le kuyophuza hey unenye i-attitude ukuthi alwe, yabona, akhulume lezi zinto zakhe zakudala bese ayalwa ashaya iminyango, in a way yokuthi manje nami anginama friends. And then ngabheka ukuthi ngizophila nobani, and then ngibheka yini ukuthi hayi man ukhona ukwenzani, ngathola omunye umngani, wathola lowo mngani loyo naye somebody wenze art. The only problem ukuthi yena he's using the substance. So mangihleli naye uzobhema, and then nami I end up like ngibhema ngizitshelana I won't be controlled by this thing, mina ngiyazi ngifunani. And then ngabuyela ku-Crystal Meth. Hey lo Crystal Meth lo hayi uyinkinga bafethu, uyinkinga blind because ngithe mangibheka i-society like the way sengakhona in nowadays, izinto zitshintshile in a way yokuthi mina ngazi ihubo ulithole edrobheni, but nowadays ulithole elokishini. Ngayo lo Crystal Meth bafethu, but still I'm still hooked there. Why? I'm living with the Romans. You have to do what the Romans do. But deep down inside ngiyazazi ngubani. But I'm fighting with Crystal Meth angandluli nami because lately Crystal Meth unokungenza ngibe ne-anger with something engifundile ngayo ukuthi yini anger, how to control it. But the anger le ngibe nayo ngitry ukuthi nami ngiyiuse positively. But uCrystal Meth akekho njalo. And then nezinto uCrystal Meth az-attractayo azikho sharp because la bengihlala khona end up like sekufika ama-CPF ngendlela engazitholi kanjani because of friends bakhuluma this and this ngami, bathi hey ngigcwalisa abantu ini. And like well ngumuntu ophila nabantu and angibi open to everybody, so uthola i-chance ukuthi aphile nami ngiyaphila naye. So nokulungisa amafoni, ngithanda namakhompyutha, ngokulungisa amakhompyutha, so that thing yokusocialize nabantu abama-artist nani nani isasekhona kimi. But that thing igcine like ingenza like i-enemy ku-community because babona ngathi ekhaya maybe sekuyindawo yalabantu laba ababhemayo ini. And umama wami makaphuzile uyenza lento zakhe lezi ezingikwatisayo lezi ezingenza ukuthi ngiwele ukuthi Crystal Meth again because ngaphi yangidla that thing ukuthi I don't know who's my father is, and nginabantwana abayi-3 and labo bantwana kumele ngibanike isibongo. Ngakumele ngibanike isibongo ngapha umama yena uhamba umkhuluma kabi ukuthi mina ngiyamshaya, something I never done in my life. Athi ngiyamshaya mina ngiyamshawutha. Oh well, sometimes sinokuba ney'ngxabano but I will never touch her. Sometimes I will raise a voice because vele uCrystal Meth sometimes unokukwenza ukuthi ube ne-anger. So bafethu kunzima in life, especially makuno-Crystal Meth ngaphakathi. It's very hard, and mine is so sad because uCrystal Meth bafethu angeke umthole i-foreigner la ngaphandle leli leza nayo lento ibhema lesithing. Mangathi uyabheka umuntu wangaphandle angeke umthola ukuthi amathina business graphic bonke bayasebenza, thina hleli la elokishini bafethu. And manje once abazali bazi ukuthi wena ubhizi ngalezi zinto lezi bazokuncintsha ukudla, bakuncintshe iy'mpahla, yabona yonke into embi inamathiselwa kuwe ugcina like uphile enye impilo and that thing hurts and manje nginabantwana ngiyabathanda and I wanna do good things for them. Ngaze ngipress
Siyaxolisa viewers. Sorry. Nazo.
So noma ngila ngaphandle like I'm trying ukuthi ngenze izinto ezi-right because ngigcine ngihamba ngenza namanye ama-programs ngaba nenhlanhla ngahlangana nenye i-out esebenza ne-structure e-Kliptown. So le out then inokungilanda if kunama-function or ine-program ney'tifiketi engizenzile since ngila ngaphandle ezi-positive ngifunda ngezinto ezintsha but mangilubele ngiphila kanje ngiphila nabantu most of them bayabhema ne-girlfriend engigcine ngiyithola like nayo iyabhema. Why ngigcine ngiphila nayo is because okay ngeke ngama-understand ukuthi ubuyaphi uzimiseleni ngempilo abantu bambona yini nami ngakutshela naye usisi shuthi makakhuluma kanje uyafuna ukutshintsha and nami myself ngiyafuna ukutshintsha just nje into esingakayitholi yini i-light ne-help ne-support ezosithatha isibeke kwenye indawo. Yiyo nje into esishoda ngayo but into esithandayo imigxeko ukuthi laba yini laba yini and thina we never hate nobody. Asitshontsheli abantu asenzini we rather ukuthi sikline ejaridini lamathini nani 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 nani. Hhayi ukuthi kumele ngize ngingcole for ukuthi ngithathe ithini ngilese scribed bangiphe leyo thuba yogwayi. No, ukuzithanda is a good thing. So abafethu abaningi Crystal Mac indlula nabo ba-end up bangasazithandi because they are losing indlela yoku-communicate nabantu what I have seen, yabona. Abantu bagcine baluza ubuntu because of this thing. Kuba i-anger phambili and ne-betrayal iningi blind. So like abafethu basazobulalana ngegama lika-Crystal Mac ngaphakathi because nami myself ngendaphe ngiklapha abangani bami ngibashaya ngey'mpama because I'm trying to fix into e-wrong ngoba maye kuyasnishwana laphayana kuyenziwani laphayana inento eningi lento ka-Crystal Mac. But if maybe singathola into ezosikhipha busy sithole iy'pani sizosebenza because nathi sifuna ukutshenja and makungene thina bokucala nalaba abanye ababhemayo mhlawumbe nabo abafethu bazobuya babe right basijoyine ku-part e-right maye leso sandla leso esihelpayo asikho and for mina ku-worse because mangizocala ngithi i-CV ne-criminal record that stigma isihlezi kimi ngasemuva and nginawo ama-skills engikhona ukuwayenza engiwafundile amanye ejele ngoba most of the time because bakuthanda 3 months the next 6 months utlayibona ntate uzohamba egceleni kwesicathulo but sokukuthi u-strong kangakanani ukholo lwakho lukangakanani. Makuno-Crystal Mac ngaphakathi hhayi kuba worse but we are holding on. Siyathemba maybe one day usizo soluthola somewhere because at the end nathi singabahlali base-South Africa and siyayithanda i-country yethu but unfortunately sesa-attack-wa ngale drug leli ukuthi like sibe yilento esiyiyo. Okay ngizophelela lapho kwanamhlanje.